thinking for a minute. Yeah. Relax. You don't hesitate on your back cast.
You worn out yet?
My arm is tired. I'm watching those YouTube videos. Developing all sorts of bad habits.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Got the whole Lefty Crow series.
The Lefty Cray.
Lefty Cray, yeah.
I'm Righty Crow.
Take the strap off. If you have problems, always go back to the basic. You know,
You getting your timing down, huh?
it's easy to
Trying to develop a
You're looking good. You look like you know what you're doing.
That's pretty dangerous.
So how do you feel about it?
I'm loving this. It's very zen.
And that's without even a fly on it.
It's pretty.
Doesn't it feel good when you get the timing right? Just rolls right out there. Look at that. Beautiful. Now this time do a roll cast. Okay, the next time do your roll cast, and before the line hits the water, do a back cast. Sweep it over, lift it up, go forward, back, and forward. A little more energy on the back, but that was good. Good. Laying right out there. Good. Now do a roll cast. Roll cast. Lift it up. And back. Good.
You're looking good. Really good.
Just a little more pause. So sweep it over, lift it up, now forward. Beautiful. Lift it up, go. Nice.
The wrist strap we find makes the world of difference.
Yeah, I can see that.
Because people, it's really hard not to break the wrist. If you watch people fishing, you're never going to get any better because you can't until you break that habit. But if you start out right, then you can just keep going from there. And you're doing really good.
Beautiful. Little circle mends. Yep. Then lift, twitch it up, lift it up. So when you get to the end of the drift, Peggy, you're going to lift your rod tip up a little, then let it drop. So to twitch the fly up. Well, right about there. See how it's now swung across the current?
Okay.
So you're going to just gently lift the rod tip up to make it skitter on the surface. Doing quite well on your casting.
Huh?
Doing very well on your casting. Good. How's that working for you? A little bit easier than that dead drift on the mayfly, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, much.
that takes a lot
Yeah.
of technique.
Because you want the current to pull your line tight, and then you're going to mend to move that fly.
Okay.
You're going to skate that caddis across the water. And then point your rod at it, lift the rod tip up to make it, and then drop it back. Then lift it up,
Oh, nice. Jim.
and then drop. And then lift, and drop. And then cast again. And then across. Across. There you go. And little circle mends with the end of your rod. Little mends.
Make it erratic. That I can do.
Erratic works good for you, Brian?
Yeah, erratic works.